Hi friends, welcome to Sarkandron LDC classes. In this class we are going to see some objective questions related pension and family pension which is necessary for our ministerial exams. Okay, let us start the exam. Let us start the class. When was pension introduced in Indian Railway? 1st April 1957. What is the minimum qualifying service required for superannuation pension? 10 years. Pension Manual 1993 Rule 51. Which scheme was replaced by pension scheme in November 1957? SRPF, State Railway Provident Fund Scheme. What was the cut-off date of pension optees? 30th September 1987. When was CGEGIS introduced? 1st January 1982. Since when was family pension introduced? 1st January 1964. What is the percentage of pension given as ordinary family pension at present? 30% of basic pay, subject to minimum of rupees 9,000. How much additional pension is given to 100 years old pensioner? 100% additional. What is minimum family pension? Before 1st January 2016 was rupees 3,500 and after 1st January 2016 was rupees 9,000. Whether unmarried daughter above the age of 25 years is eligible for family pension? Yes, with effect from 6 September 2007. For giving DLI, how many months of PF balance is taken into consideration? Last 36 months of balance of PF account. What is the maximum amount of DLI? Rupees 60,000. To whom DLI is payable? Legal heirs of the deceased employees. When was NPS introduced? 1st January 2004. NPS is made of how many tiers? 2 tiers. How much employees contribute goes to NPS? 10% of basic plus DA. What is the full form of PFRDA? Pension Fund Regulatory Development Authority. How many digits are there in PPAN? PRAN number, and also explain the digit indication. 16 digits. In PRAN number, 16 digits are available. First digit, calendar which allotted. First 4 digits, calendar year in which number are allotted. Fifth one is your ministry number. After 3 numbers, zonal railways or production unit. After 3 numbers, associate added to account number. Last 5 numbers, serial number of employees. What is the formation for commutation of pension? Formula for commutation: 40% of pension into 12 into relevant age factor. What is the maximum percentage for commutation of pension? 40% of pension. Contribution of employees in CGEGIS is further divided into how many funds? Name them along with their percentage contribution. Contribution of employees in CGEGIS is further divided into 2 funds, namely 30% in insurance fund and 70% in saving fund. When is insurance fund under CGEGIS is payable? On the death of employees while in service. On retirement, an employee is entitled to receive which fund under CGEGIS? On retirement, an employee is entitled to receive saving fund with interest under CGEGIS. whether SRPF deduction are made from salary of a railway servant joining after 1st January 2004. False. Whether substitute employees regularized after 1st January 2004 come under NPS? No, they are exempted from NPS. What is the maximum amount of DCRG? Rupees 20 lakh. Whether commutation is recovered from family pension? False. What is the qualifying service for retiring pension? 20 years. Minimum qualifying service for pension is 9 years, 9 months or 10 years. Maximum amount of pension is rupees 1,25,000. Employees recruited after 1st January 2004 come under NPS. The minimum qualifying service for voluntary retirement is 20 years. 16-digit number is allocated to employees recruited under NPS. The maximum commutation of pension is 40%. Minimum family pension is rupees 1,275. That is your answer. False. Minimum how much? 9,000. Commutation of pension is not mandatory. True. 20 years of continuous service is required for pension. False. Minimum pension is 9,000 plus current DA. Up to what age an unmarried employed son eligible for family pension? 25 years. Or his appointment, whichever is earlier. Up to what age mentally retarded son or daughter is eligible for family pension? Lifelong on production of medical certificate having above 40% disability. Whether dependent parents of bachelor son eligible for family pension? True. For how much monthly income does son or daughter parents are not eligible for family pension? Rupees 9,000 per month. From which date dependent parents are made eligible for family pension fulfilling all conditions? 1st January 1998. Whether widow or divorced daughter is eligible for family pension? True. Whether children of divorced wife eligible for family pension? True. In case a employee marries after retirement, whether his widow is eligible for family pension? True. Immediately on submission of FIR in missing employee's case, what are the payable dues? Due salary, CGE, GIS, leave salary and employee's PF contribution. From the date of registration of FIR in missing employee's case, what are the payable settlement dues? Gratuity, family pension, government contribution towards PF. Is DLI payable in case of missing employees? False. Generally, when is commutation sanctioned without medical examination? Within 1 year of retirement. After how many years commuted portion of pension is restored? 15 years. 15 years. Widow of employees removed from service is eligible for ex gratia pension? False. Widow of SRPF optee is entitled for ex gratia payment from which date? 1st January 1986. Is widow of casual labor attaining temporary status eligible for pension? False. Is ex gratia or gratia pension is payable to the compulsory retired employees? False. What is the amount of pension payable to more than one serving widow? 50% to be paid as per succession certificate issued by Honorable Court. Widow of SRPF optee is entitled for ex gratia pension with effect from 1st November 1997 at the rate of rupees 605 per month. What percent of pension is enhanced on attaining age of 80 years? 20% of basic pension. What percent of pension is enhanced on attaining age of 85 years? 30% of basic pension. What percentage of pension is enhanced on attaining age of 90 years? 40% of basic pension. What percentage of pension is enhanced on attaining age of 95 years? 50% of basic pension. NPS is introduced on which date? 1st January 2004. What is the amount deducted from pay towards NPS contribution? 10% of basic. After how many days a substitute teacher gets facilities that of temporary teacher? 3 months. Minimum family pension is rupees 9,000 plus DA, and maximum family pension is rupees 1,25,000 plus DA. How many types of pension are there in Indian Railways? 6 types of pension. What is minimum QS required for invalid pension? For invalid pension, minimum 10 years of more qualifying services required. Rule 55. Which type of pension comes under rule number 64? Compulsory retirement pension. Rule 64. Under rules number 63, which type of pension is applicable? Compensation pension. What was the minimum pension with effect from 1st January 2006? Rupees 3,500. Whether 55% of pay element is counted for the pension of a loco inspector? No. 30% of pay element. What is pay element for doctors for calculating the pension and gratuity? 25% of the day. Under which rule of the pension manual pension subject to future good conduct? Rule number 8. Rule number 10 of the pension manual is applicable for which type of pension? Provisional pension. In which type of cases compensate allowances is applicable? Dismissed or removed from service cases. What is the minimum QS for grant of compensate allowances? A minimum qualifying service. QS means qualifying service. A minimum qualifying service of 10 years is necessary. Whether the additional quantum of pension is mentioned in PPO? Question I repeat. Whether the additional quantum of pension is mentioned in PPO? Yes, distinctly shown in PPO. What is percentage of additional quantum of pension for 94 years old pensioner? 40% of basic pension. Whether 30% of quantum of additional pension is eligible for 88 years old pensioner? True. To whom is the service gratuity applicable? To employee whose QS is less than 10 years. Qualifying service is less than 10 years. Whether an employee retired on Avaid pension is eligible for commutation without medical examination? False. Whether an unmarried, divorced, widow's daughter is eligible for family pension after the age of 25 years? True. Whether post-retiral spouse are entitled for family pension? True. Whether a surviving child or children can draw to family pension at a time? True. Whether interest is payable on delayed payment of CGE, GIS and levy salary? False. Okay friends, here we are discussing some objective questions related to our pension and family pension, which is necessary for our exam purpose. Okay, thank you. This is your kind information. Do read, write and understood this one. Okay, thank you.